Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to day 13 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every day for 30 days leading up to the end of the year, and a beautiful choreography when we put them all together at the end. So if you missed yesterday, day 12, we went through parts or combinations 8 to 12 and then put them together with music. So if you missed out on that, please check that out. I also have section 1 of the choreography with combinations 1 to 7 all put together in the music. So watch them first. Otherwise, if you just want to do this for combinations rather than learning the choreography, you're welcome to join whenever you like. So some of you might be thinking, oh, I love Elisa's new outfit. And you know what? I love it too. I'll send it from bellydance.com. And the reason why I love it is because firstly, it looks cool. But secondly, it's designed for belly dancing so you can show off your moves. So if you want your own one, I'll put the link below so you can get it. They also have really beautiful hip scarves, and I love these ones because they look pretty, they work with your movements, but they're not noisy, which is great. Okay, let's get into our combination for today. Today, we are starting off with some beautiful accents. We're starting off into a rond de jambe, but with a bit of a difference. So you'll remember in one of our earlier parts, we brought that leg around, and that's what we're doing today. So remember with the rond de jambe, your foot comes back and around, back and around. Now normally we will bring the hip all the way around and use that hip, but today we're just coming to the front. So that foot comes across and open, across and open, across and open. Let's try the other side. Across and open, across and open, across and open. So you can play around with it. If you want to add your hip in and your knee into it as well, feel welcome to. But otherwise, if you want to just focus on the leg, you can focus on the leg. A few little tips with this one. Firstly, make sure that the leg that you're doing rond de jambe or the sweep with, it can also be called a sweep, is nice and straight. If you're bending your knee, it doesn't look as elegant. Same with pointing the toe. Try and point your toe. You want to try and draw a little circle with that big toe. Good. And the other thing is, this is really good for strength through your ankle, but you might find that it challenges your balance at the start too. So if you're finding it difficult to do this move, hold on to something, get the move first, and then let go when you feel stronger, when you've got the feeling of the move. So for our little combination today, we're starting with the rond de jambe coming around on this leg, and then as we finish to the side, we're transferring our weight over to this leg. Let's just try it. Around and transfer. Again, around and transfer. Again, around and transfer. Let's try it on the other leg just for practice. Around and transfer. Around, transfer. You can also extend the other leg to keep it into an arabesque. Good. Other side again. Good. Okay, and from here we're coming into a beautiful flutter arm. So like yesterday, our flutter arm, we bring our elbow up, our wrist, our fingers, then we're changing the facing of the palm and down. So as you come up, remember the palm is towards you. As you come down, your palm is away from you. Try the other side. Nice. Just relax with this move. Okay, so trying it this side first. This is the side that's going to be in the choreography. Around, flutter. From here, this leg is free. We're bringing it to the back. So you're trying to get it as far to the back as you can. And I think some of you know what's coming next. Yep, that's it. We're doing a little turn to the front. Let's try it. Bring that leg over and around. Let's try the other side just to balance it out. Over and around. So if you're finding that you're trying to come around but you're getting tangled, it's probably because you're not bringing your foot back enough. If you're bringing your foot to the side, you'll find that you can't get all the way across. Whereas if you bring your foot back, all the way back, then it's easier to come around to the front with your legs not tangled. Okay, let's add it on. So from the rond de jambe, over, leg around. Other way, rond de jambe, over, leg around, good. First way again, around, over. Oh, and I hit the wall. Good work. And to end this combination, all we're doing to finish it off is a nice little hip shimmy. So remember, you're just bending one knee and then the other, framing those hips. Okay, let's run through the whole combination, one side, then the other. So this leg starting, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around, arm up, leg over, and shimmy, other way. Around, up, leg over, and shimmy. Also with the shimmy, you can bring your arms up in front just to add a little bit of dynamics to the energy. Let me step away from the wall. Again, starting this leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around and over, leg over, and shimmy, other way. Around, leg around, up, leg over, and shimmy. Again, around, up, leg over, and shimmy, around, up, leg over, and shimmy. Nice work. So I hope you enjoy that combination. It's a beautiful one to do with accents, as you will see at the end of the week when we bring it together with our choreography. And please tune in tomorrow. We are doing some more accents work that's really, really beautiful. Have an awesome day, and I will see you then. Bye.